Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a flag on the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to do an easy one today. Let's go with Switzerland, okay. I've already got the white cross. And done it. That's how the Swiss flag looks like, the flag of Switzerland. This is like one of the best ones to do on the Rubik's Cube because the flag of Switzerland is a square. Like other flags are like rectangles and stuff like that. This is the only one that's a square, other than Vatican City, and other ones that are not rectangles, but they're not squares either. So yeah, this is the best flag to do on the Rubik's Cube if you have one or you're looking to try it. If you've done this, you can actually, I think you might be able to do one side of the Rubik's Cube. So anyways, bye!